Calculate the molar mass of potassium chloride. Okay, my strategy for this problem is to create a table, and it is to name the element, the massive element, and the number of atoms in order to calculate the total molar mass. And okay, so we can see that for this problem we have potassium and chloride. So I'm going to write down potassium, the element, and chlorine. The mass of potassium, we can figure that out by looking at our periodic table, and that's located right here. And we can see that its mass is 39.098. So I'm going to write that down right here. 39.098. And for chlorine, it's located right here, and it is 35.45. So I'm going to write that down. 35.45. For each one, we only have one atom. So we don't have to multiply it by anything. We can just add this together, and that gives us 74.55. Looking at our answer choices, we can see that the closest one is going to be 74.6 grams. So our answer is A.